I'm Brian M. Hazel, and I'm here to get your business funded fast. When banks say no, we say yes. Start now, it's quick and easy. Fill a short form, upload minimal docs, get personalized offers quickly, and receive funds often the same day. Use capital to grow, restock, or payroll. Opportunities don't wait, neither should you.
Hi, I hope everyone is enjoying the beginning of summer. Let me say one thing. I hate to be the one that says, I told you so. Several months back, I said to you that diesel fuel and a strain on the economy could last a little while. And I actually said several months. At that time, I received a lot of emails that indicated what they had seen on the news was that the conflict was only supposed to last a couple of weeks. In fact, it was over. Now, this was several months ago. And I tried to explain that even during a ceasefire, there's always skirmishes that go back and forth, and it could last a while. And you really want to be prepared for anything that squeezes your business to last for a while. It is better to have cash reserves than an empty bank account. So here's the thing. I would, if you've already tried, go ahead and talk to your bank and see what they'll do for you. If they won't do anything for you, come back, shoot me an email, give me a call, and I'll take care of it. If you've been in business at least 3 to 4 months and you have a 500 FICO score, you need to at least be at the threshold of $5,000 a month. That's $5,000 a month. Now, if you're doing $20,000 to $50,000 a month, we have some programs that are low rate oriented with no prepayment penalties that can save you a lot on leveraging capital. Here's the thing. I have never had a situation where I've given a person a figure on how much they can get through pre-approval, because our pre-approvals are written and they go somewhere else and someone says that they can get them more money and they're able to do it. Happens every time. Someone comes back to me and they say, is that offer still valid? And I get it. I've been doing this a long time, and we're very aggressive with our funding. We want you to be able to get to the next level. We understand that you need capital to get to the next level. We understand that you work best not being stressed out about what's in your business bank account every day. So, set yourself up for mental success, for peace of mind, and for growth in the future with working capital. Business funding and the lack thereof is the number one reason why entrepreneurs and business owners have to shut down their businesses. It's the number one reason. So if that's the number one reason, why not have a strategy for that number one reason that you can rely on? We're here, we're ready to get you funded, and like I said, we fund aggressively. Talk to you next time.